We are the team number 09. Did you all know that 82.5% of Indian farmers depend on electricity for their agricultural produce? On average, many rural areas of our country get only 5 to 6 hours of electricity supply. We all have heard the quote from the movie Spider-Man that with great power comes great responsibility, but with great power comes a greater electricity bill. So, me and my fellow teammates are here to solve all these problems with just a single solution. We all know the importance of electricity in a farmer's life. Moksh, can you elaborate on this?
Of course, electricity is indispensable for farmers, playing a crucial role in their agricultural activities. It facilitates tasks such as sowing seeds and preserving harvested crops, thereby ensuring productivity and economic viability.
Electricity is a renewable source. It will help in eradicating the energy crisis. Moksh, can you elaborate on this?
Our idea has been focused on decreasing the dependency on non-renewable energy resources and utilizing abundant ambient energy to generate electricity. The energy shortage and environmental pollution have brought global crisis and severely impacted human survival and development. So, we have prepared an alternate source of energy that uses cow urine to generate electricity. Market analysis is a very crucial part of every business. Yes, can you make us aware about it?
Of course, for your better understanding, I would like you to refer with this pie chart beside me. Here, you can see the supply of electricity is divided into two parts, the supply by government and the supply by state. Now, the supply by state comprises of 41.3% and the central government is supplies 26.8%, while the rest 41.9% is supplied by the private sector. You might be thinking, looking at a model, what is the science behind it? So, allow me to explain. Well, on my left, you can see we have a bottle containing urine, and on the right, the bottle is containing water. When we turn on these knobs, the urine and water starts to flow and gather into central container. This container contains cathode and anode. Now, when this reaction takes place with presence of water and urine, it forms copper urate solution. This copper urate solution is a salt solution which makes flow of ions and generates electricity. There might be thoughts about, is our product economical? Is it feasible? Well, it's my pleasure to inform you that our product is 50.1% economical than government. For better understanding, I would like you to refer with this table. Here, you can see we will be selling our product at just 4.98 rupees. The total cost we incur in making 1 kilowatt of electricity is just rupees 2. When the total cost is divided into variable and fixed. Variable comprises of 0.68 and total cost comprises of 1.32. Before deducting taxes and the subsidies, we are having a profit of 2.98 rupees. After deducting tax of 12% and adding subsidies provided by the government, we are left with 2.82 rupees. This is makes our product 56% of profit margin. For any business to scale, channels of distribution are very important. Umang, which channels are we going to use?
So, for channels of distribution, we intend to use B2C channels as it will not only help us to reduce our overhead expenses but also help many marginal farmers to take advantage of our services. Now, for marketing of the services, we are going to use the following ways. First, personal selling.
But Umang, do you think personal selling will be effective form for farmers?
Of course, Yash, it would be. Many farmers still have concerns while switching to a new electricity provider, particularly regarding reliability, cost savings, and the installation process. Personal selling would give us an opportunity to address these concerns directly and build public relations. Second, local radio and newspapers.
But Umang, we are in a technological era. Now everyone has a Jio SIM and a smartphone. Do you think local newspapers and radio will still be helpful?
Yes, Yash, a significant number of farmers still rely on local radio stations and newspapers for their daily information. We will be using these channels to promote our services and to reach out to a local farming audience.
What else?
And finally, we have farm shows and events. Well, we are all aware that farm shows and events like carnivals are the places where almost all the people residing in a village gather. So, we will be promoting our services in these events, which will also help us to reduce our promotional cost.
But Umang, have you done the analysis of our product?
Yes, Yash. So, for analysis of the idea, we will refer to SWOT analysis. Strength, it is less expensive than rival products and will make use of ambient resources. Weaknesses, it is dependent on the well-being of cattle and it is not suitable for large-scale power plants and factories. Opportunity, we are the first to generate electricity using cow urine, which will give us an edge over our competitors. And third, it might be challenging for illiterate farmers to adopt this technology.
For people to contact us, we have formed a website, our very own website, and we have also provided a number on which people can contact us. We have also provided our website QR code, as you know, that mobiles are with everyone, so they can scan our QR and visit our website directly.
देश की प्रगति तब तक है अधूरी किसान के विकास के बिना न होगी पूरी We at U Electricity start with the customers and work backwards. That becomes the touchstone of how we invent. With this solution, we will be solving the energy crisis of our country and provide electricity to our farmers. We all know that innovation fosters progress, and with this solution, we will help our nation to prosper and grow, and as well as it will turn out as profitable venture. Thank you.
First of all, tell me, in your process, the cow urine is a basic raw material and you require that. How much you save that and how much you store that? Storage capacity of that, because what happened for your product or for your electricity supply, the cow urine is the material, required material. So how you store it?
Ma'am, can you just give a minute? You can. Ma'am, for process, cow urine have 1 day of shelf life. We are planning to install the gallons like we see in cold storages, some sort of that, so we can store and then we can use our process to generate electricity.
And how much amount you require for the investment and your profit margin will be?
Ma'am, our profit margin, net profit margin amounts 56%. The amount which we require to invest, we are still working on that as this is a prototype. For scaling in a big power plant or investing, we need to discuss that.
Have you tried out the copywriting research, etc.?
Yes, ma'am, we are planning and we have filed the application to that and we will be surely receiving some notification regarding that.
First of all, your presentation is very nice I would like to appreciate. But can you cow milk? Is that
Yes, sir. It's
cow
cow.
was working on it? Okay. So is it so that it will solve the big problem of the country if your project will work? But as you mentioned in your thread, it might be challenging for literate farmers to deal with. So, how will you counter it? Is there any plan for that?
Yes, sir. For that question, we are planning to market our services in farm shows and events, where, as I said, almost all people in the village gather. So we will be using various basic methods to make farmers aware of these kind of services and these type of technology which have been invented.
How will you do that?
Can you tell me?
Huh.
Sir, to be clear, you are asking about how we are going to market that segment?
No, I am asking, as you mentioned in your thread,
Yes.
you mentioned as thread, it might be challenging for illiterate farmers, right?
Yes, sir.
As you mentioned already. But I am asking, as you know that more than 70% of farmers are illiterate now.
Yes, sir.
We know that. We talk about the current data. So, how will you counter your threat?
Sir, we require a minute, please. We have taken the example, we have studied the case of Paytm. We know that many vendors which now everyone is having a Paytm. Not all of them are literate, but they majorly prefer personal selling. Like कोई भी इंसान जाता है तो जो Paytm का जो पर्सनल सेलर रहता है उसके पास जाता है इलिटरेट वेंडर के पास और उसको सप्लाई करता है. हमने भी वही सोचा है कि हमारा भी जो पर्सनल सेलर रहेगा वो उसके पास जाएगा फार्मर्स के पास जो इलिटरेट हैं और उनको सप्लाई करने में अवेयर करने में मदद करेगा. जस्ट लाइक दैट.
Okay, good.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपका जो बेसिक सोर्स है रॉ मटेरियल उसका प्रोडक्शन एक लिमिटेड क्वांटिटी में अवेलेबल हो, तो आप इसको कैसे सोचते हैं कि कितना सक्सेसफुल प्रोजेक्ट हो?
सर, काउ यूनियन एज वी नो कि वो हर विलेज में एक तरह से बेसिक मटेरियल जो हर विलेज में पाया जाता है, तो हम इस बहुत सारे विलेजेस के पास के जो गाँव होंगे उनमें कोऑर्डिनेट करेंगे, उनमें अपना जो भी मार्केटिंग वगैरह है उसके लिए भेजेंगे, तो वो हमसे जुड़ेंगे, जो भी फार्मर्स रहेगा वो हमसे जुड़ेंगे.
रेगुलर सप्लाई के लिए फिजिबल है?
As I told, there is also one day on which we can store the cow urine. So in the one day, there are many vendors and there are many farmers who have cattle building and all. So they also collect urine from cattle too, apart from cows. So if we store that for one day, we can create enough electricity to provide for village.
Sir, also cow electricity, cow urine is a recurring source now.
Okay.
Judges, please, we would like to address if you are having any doubts.
Is there any question from audience side?
Thank you, 09.